students. How are you all? Good. So yesterday we have discussed our problems and doubts. Okay, now which chapter we are doing? We are doing chapter probability. In chapter probability we have done all the examples. I hope I left 2 examples you all have done. You told me that you have done and we have discussed that also yesterday. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to start the exercise. Question number 1. In a cricket match, a batsman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls. So total outcomes is equal to 30 and possible outcomes is equal to 6. Total outcomes are 30 because it says 6 times out of 30 balls. So 30 balls were total outcomes and possible outcomes because she hit 6 times the boundary, possible outcome. And we know probability is equal to possible outcomes upon total outcomes. Is equal to 6 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon 5. Am I clear? So this is the probability of getting. He said probability that she did not hit a boundary. This is the probability when she hit a boundary. And what is the probability of not hitting a boundary? We will write it like this and we can subtract 1 minus 1 upon 5. So now we will get 4 upon 5. When she hits a boundary, that is 1 upon 5. When she does not hit a boundary, it is 4 upon 5. We can do it other way also. That possible outcomes are 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. Okay, then probability is this. Then we can do it this way also. She does not hit. We will have 24 upon 30 is equal to 4 upon 5. Okay, we can do it both ways. We can find what is the probability of hitting a boundary, then we can subtract it from 1. I told you, not even we have to subtract it from 1. Or in possible outcomes only we can get the does not hit the boundary, 30 minus is 24, then we can find it. So by both the methods you can adopt any one, the one in which you are comfortable. Okay. Now second question. Question number 2. 1500 family with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data was recorded. It means there were a record of many families. Out of those they have selected 1500 family where 2 children were there. And then they have counted the number of girls. They have collected the data, number of girls in a family. When there are 2 girls, then 475, 1 girl 814 and no girl, that is 211. So we are having total outcomes is equal to 1500. After this we have to write the formula because we won't write formula in every part. Probability is equal to possible outcomes upon total outcomes. First part, probability of an event when 2 girls. 2 girls. And how many times they got the 2 girls? 475. So we'll get 475 upon 1500. We have to reduce it. 5 9s are 45, 5 5s are 25. 300, we'll reduce it further. 5 1s are 5, 5 19s are 5 16. So probability of having two girls is 19 upon 60. Then probability of an event when one girl is there. And for one girl we are having 814 upon 1500. We will reduce it also. 407 upon 750. This is in lowest term. We have to give answer in lowest term. C part. Probability of an event with no girl. Is equal to 211 upon 1500. Okay. Now we said also check whether the sum of these probabilities is 1. So now we have to check. We will add the 1 with the denominator. It will be easier for us. 4 7 total probability. Because if I will take the lowest term, then I have to take the LCM. So I am taking the one which is having same base, the original one. 814 upon 1500 plus 211 upon 1500. Now I will add it. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. 1. 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 2, 1500. So we got our answer as 1. When we add all the probabilities, we get the answer 1. But here I want to give you few more parts. Because most of the time they come in the paper. So you have to understand what type of questions are we giving in the paper. If I will tell you to find probability of at least one girl. At least one girl. Means कम से कम एक लड़की होनी चाहिए, दो भी चलेंगे. If they are having two, it's okay. But minimum they should have one girl in the family. Then it means we will add 814 plus 475. We are adding number of girls in a family with they are having one girl or two girls. At least one girl means 1 and 2 both are okay. Upon 1500. So we will add 4 plus 5 9, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12. This will be answer. And if I will say find the probability of the event when we are having at most one girl. At most one girl means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक. 0 is also okay, 1 is also okay. At most means maximum should be 1. At least मतलब minimum must be 1. So here we will have 211 plus 814 upon 1500. So I will add 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 1 2, 8 plus 2 10. I will reduce this. 5 2s are 10. 41 upon 60. Am I clear? Now you have to understand these two words. At least, at most. At least means minimum one girl. At most means maximum one girl. Okay? Do remember in paper we give questions related to these words. Question number 3. You will do yourself looking at the back example which they are referring to. Now we will do question number 4. Three coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies, different outcomes. When we got 3 head, 2 heads, 1 head or no head. If the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. So total outcomes, (200), possible outcome, of 2 heads. that is 72. We'll write the formula. Probability is equal to possible outcome upon total outcome. So what we got? Probability of an event is equal to 72 upon 200. 36 upon 100. 18 upon 50. 9 upon 25. And this is our probability. 9 upon 25. Question number 5. An organization selected 2400 families at random. So total outcome $2,400. Surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the level of vehicles in a family. And then data has been given. We'll write the formula because it is having 5 parts. Probability is equal to possible outcome upon total outcome. Now we'll solve the first part. Earning 10,000 to 13,000. So first we'll check the row with 10,000 to 13,000 and owing exactly 2 vehicles. Exactly 2 vehicles is 29. 29 upon 2,400. And here we'll write exactly 2 vehicles. Second part, earning 16,000 and more. Now we'll see that row. Or more per month owing exactly with 1 vehicle. So we are having 579. 579 upon 2,400. Exactly 1 vehicle. We have to see both. We have to see the earning as well as number of vehicles. Now third part, earning less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. So we are having less than 7,000 and 0 vehicle is 10. So now we are having no vehicle is equal to 10 upon 2,400 cut. So we will get 1 upon 240. Next we are having earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owing more than 2 vehicles. So we'll have 25. More than 2 is above 2. So we'll have 25. So we'll write it as PE is equal to more than 2 vehicles. 25 upon 2,400 and we will reduce it. 5 5s are 5 4s are 20. 5 8s are 40. 5 upon 480 will cancel it also. 5 9s are 45. 5 6s are 30. 1 upon 96. Now the last part, owing not more than 1 vehicle. Owing not more than 1 vehicle and no slab is given for income. Not more than 1. It means we can add 0 and 1 all. So here we will add possible outcomes for not more than 1. We will add all column for 0 and whole column for 1. So we will have 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579 upon whatever the base total is. We have to add them. So let's add them. We will have 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 23 plus 5, 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we will get 2, 3 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. So our possible outcome is 2062. So now we will find probability of the event is 2062 upon 2400. Okay, now we will reduce it. 1032 upon 1200. We will further reduce it. 516 upon 600. We will further reduce it. 258 upon 300. 129 upon 150. And this will be our answer. Okay. So this is the answer or probability we would have for not more than 1 vehicle. When nothing, no income slab is given, then we have to add all. Not more than 1 means all 0, all 1. एक से ज्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए, पर 0 चलेंगे तो हमने सारे 0 को ऐड किया, हमने सारे 1 को ऐड किया, and then we get the possible outcome. Probability is possible outcomes upon total outcomes. Question number 6 you will do yourself. Question number 7. To know the opinion of students about the subject statistics, a survey of 200 students were conducted. The data is recorded in the following table. Find the probability that a student chosen at random likes statistics. So we'll write the total outcomes. Is equal to 200. Probability is equal to possible outcome upon total outcome first possible outcome like statistics. We will have 135. So probability of an event is equal to 135 upon 200. We can reduce it. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, and here we will have 5 4s are 20, 0. And second we will have possible outcome dislike statistics. Here we'll have 65. So probability of an event is equal to 65 upon 200. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 40. So we'll get 40, 13 upon 40. This is our answer. Question number 8, 9 and rest of the question, whatever is left you have to try yourself. Okay, activities you can leave. We'll do that in our practical file, and rest of the question you will try on your own. Do practice of probability. But most of the time we think that this is quite easy and we don't give more weightage to this. We thought okay, we'll do it on at the time of paper. But this is the most scoring chapter, and in this students do mistake. So don't do it, don't take it lightly, do proper practice of this. As this is the easiest, if we'll do practice, we'll get the full marks in this. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.